Can I use my IRA to buy an investment property? If you are careful, you should not incur any IRA rollover penalties. As long as your custodial company has no fees attached to these transactions, the IRS is the only thing that you have to worry about. In order to avoid dealing with the IRS, choose your new custodian now and have a transfer processed. Transfers are not reported to the IRS because the fund is transferred directly from one institution to another. Rollovers are reported to the IRS because a check is made payable directly to you. You will also incur IRA rollover penalties if you take 2 rollovers within a 12-month period. There are no frequency limitations on the number of times that you can transfer the fund from one institution to another, although your custodians could charge a fee for the transactions. If any of your contributions were made with after-tax money as they would be with a Roth, then the amount of those contributions is not subject to taxation. Earnings and interest accrued on those contributions are subject to being counted as yearly income. If you want to convert from a traditional to a Roth account and all of your contributions were made with pre-tax dollars, you will be required to pay taxes on the entire value of the fund at the time of conversion. Only those who make $100,000 per year or less are allowed to convert to a Roth or make contributions to one, but that limitation will be lifted at least temporarily in 2010. Stock market's ups and downs can seriously damage your account balance. You've worked hard for your money. You've lived on less every year so that you could contribute thousands of dollars to a retirement account. Don't tie your ability to retire to the volatile stock market. Property values may have gone down slightly over the last year, but they did not decline by 20%, which is the average loss that we have seen in the stock market. That was the average loss. Some people lost a lot more. Stock market losses can far exceed IRA rollover penalties. Consider a better alternative: real estate. If you have a couple of minutes to spare, please feel free to browse through my website.